be playing, she be wildin', she confused, it's obvious. I be drippin' hard, you know I'm kinda stylish. Do me wrong, it's over. Do me wrong, I gotta go.
What's going on, guys? Today we're at Speedline Performance. We're going to be putting my 3.7 Mustang on the dyno. There's not too much done to this car. I'm guessing it's probably gonna make 260s to the wheel. It is tuned by MPT, but it is still on a lot of stock parts. I do have a full exhaust except for headers, but we'll see what it does. But we're in Ocala, Florida at Speedline Performance. The car is looking real good. As you can see, I don't have the front lip on here anymore. I ended up selling it because I do have a plan to get a new one. But yeah, if you guys are around this area, check out Speedline Performance. And I will see you guys whenever we get on the dyno. All right, guys, about to start the dyno run. We're going to be running this in, I believe, 3rd gear. If you want to see what mods I have done, check down below. And yeah, let's see what this thing does. I'm anxious. We're doing 3 runs, I believe. But yeah. I'm MPT tuned, 93 octane. Let's see it. Damn, what it make? 279? First pull, 279. Let's go. That's awesome. Holy shit. Thing's a lot louder than I thought.
269 foot-pounds.
269 foot-pounds? God damn. Okay, that's higher than I thought. Ooh, that's impressive.
About 7,800.
Okay, that's awesome. All right, one more pull. Let's see what this does. $282?
272 foot-pounds.
Hell yeah. Damn. Holy shit. Oh my Lanta. That's awesome. Alright, big shout out to Speedline Performance for hooking me up with the dyno day. And I will catch you guys in the next video.